Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to create a salary slip in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So basically if you make a salary slip from the scratch, it will basically take your time. Okay, so if you go onto this browser here and you will type here free Excel salary slip templates here, and you will see bunch of these websites here that are basically giving you free Excel templates that you can use. So you can open up this first link here, which is exceldatapro.com, and here you can see that we have bunch of different type of salary slips template that we have. Okay, so I have downloaded this one here. You can download it by clicking on this Excel link here, and then you need to just open this Excel file here. Okay, so here you can see that I have this salary slip here basically. Okay, and now this is a template here. Okay, basically, so you can basically edit it according to your needs. Okay, so basically if you want to remove this image from here, you can just remove it from here, and if you want to basically change the picture, you can always do this as well. If you want to change the date, you can just remove this date, and you can add the date of yourself. You can even add date here. You can basically remove all of the names from here. So what I am trying to say here, that if you make a template from the scratch, it will basically take your much time and effort as well. So you just need to go on to the web here, and you will open up this site here, and in this site here you can see bunch of different salary slip templates here. And once you download it, you just need to open that up in this application here, Excel here, and then you can just basically edit it and change it according to your needs. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.